welcome back to my channel. Lacey here. We're gonna be doing a install slash unboxing slash tutorial majiggy today again, and today this hair is coming from Victoria's Wigs. Thank you guys so much for sending me over this beautiful unit. I've had their hair before, but I haven't had a wig. I had a sew-in install with them before, and their hair was just so beautiful, so amazing. This unit is a 5x5 20-inch lace closure. It's an undetectable lace, so as y'all can see, the hair is like, it's blending, y'all. Like, this looks so freaking natural. I bleached the knots and I tweezed the hairline just a little bit, but nothing too major because it already came pre-plucked. I'll show you guys later what the hairline looked like and how I tweezed it. Yeah, so this is 20 inches. This is what it looks like. Comes to about right here on me. I am 5'3", so hair's a little bit longer on me, but I love it. So if you want to see how I got this install, please keep watching. Alright, you guys, so let's get into this unboxing. So the hair I got was from Victoria Wigs. The box got beat up, but UPS been tripping lately, so yeah, this is the box that it comes in. Super cute. I love the pink and white, and the hair comes in this cute little bag here. I love when they send bags like this because it keeps your wigs nice and neat. And then they also sent me a little makeup bag. Oh, I got a edge brush in here, a wig cap. Oh, they sent me 2 wig caps, rat tail comb. I needed another one of these. Thank y'all so much. Oh, a little thing to spread the glue with. And they sent me a brush, a little makeup brush to get your part right, and some tweezers to pluck the hairline. So let's see what the hair looks like. So we're just gonna open this up here. And this is how the hair comes. It comes with a little net on it. And this is a 5x5 closure wig, and it's straight. So this is what the closure looks like. It's pretty big. It has your 3 standard clips, 2 on the side, 1 in the middle, and then 1 at the bottom. Oh, and we have a adjustable strap that you could also take off like so. That is super cool. So if you want to wear this bad boy glueless, you definitely can. And this is a 20-inch wig. This is so freaking soft, y'all. I've had their hair before and I really loved it. So I can't wait to see how this one acts when I put it on. And the knots on this one, even looking through the part, the knots on this one, sorry, I've been doing makeup as you can see, are not that dark. The knots are really soft, so I'm pretty sure it's gonna be easy to bleach, or you could even wear it straight out the box if you don't mind, but I want it to look as natural as possible. So I'm going to bleach the knots, so I'm gonna do that and we're gonna come back for the install. Alright, so this is after I bleached it, but before I tweezed it. You can see the hairline looked really natural, but I just made it look even more natural with a little bit of tweezing. I'm getting better, y'all, so I'm really happy. And I have on my stocking cap. I didn't do the ball cap method because with closure wigs, you don't really have to. So I'm going to clean off my hairline with 91% alcohol, just so that the adhesive that I use today sticks. And I'm spraying a cotton pad and dabbing on the Bold Hold Skin Protect, just so I could get a little bit longer way out of my liquid gold. It's not a glue. You'll see later on that I'm not using a glue. I'm just using a temporary adhesive, but with the Skin Protect, it'll last you a couple days if I decide to wear it a little bit longer. So now I'm just adjusting the straps in the back and popping the wig on my head. And y'all, look at this. Look how natural the hairline looks. Like, I am shook. I'm just shook how this lace just melted into my skin. But now I am cutting off the lace with little scissors, and I'm going in zigzag motions. You never want to do straight across because that looks really unnatural in person. So when you do zigzag, it kind of makes the lace even more undetectable. So that's what I'm doing there. All right, so I'm going in with the Bold Hold Liquid Gold, and this is like liquid crack, okay? Because I am so obsessed with it. It just helps to keep my wig down. It glues it down, but it's not glue. It's just like a temporary adhesive, kind of like got to be gel or got to be spray. But I feel like it's even better because it doesn't leave like any residue. It holds longer, even through sweating. Like, it goes on clear and dries clear, no flakiness. You could even use it to hold down your baby hairs. It's just magic, okay? So I'm putting on one layer and letting it dry completely. And then I'm going in with a second layer after that. And then when I put that, I just let it get a little bit tacky. So that's what you see me doing there, is putting my second layer, and I'm just gonna blow dry it to get it a little bit tacky and then put my wig. And I love this little tool they sent me for applying the glue because I hate getting stuff on my fingers. So this made it so much easier. And I'm alternating between cool and warm air when I'm blow drying just to help it dry faster. So I'm just gonna place that right where I put the glue. And then we're gonna blow dry that for about a minute or so, just till it gets dry. Then you wanna, make sure you comb out the hair so it's not all stuck together. Just get it really on there, okay? And you see how bomb it's looking already? Shook. Now I'm just going to be tying my hair down to get it all nice and melted into the skin. And I don't know if I said it before, but this wig can be worn glueless as well, like no glue at all. You just tighten up the adjustable straps in the back. And yeah. Now I'm just wiping off the excess gel with a little bit of water. Now I'm going to go in and do a middle part. I never do middle parts, but with the straight hair, I was feeling kind of sassy. So I said, why not do a middle part today? I was struggling to get it centered, but finally got it together. The water helped it to be a little more moldable, if that makes any sense. So that's what I'm doing there. When I finally get that part together, you can see I was filling it, okay? She cute. All right, now that I got that part all centered, I'm going with the spray wax from Drybar. I don't know why my camera would not focus on the name of it, but it's just a spray wax since I don't have a wax stick. But I really need to invest in a wax stick and a hot comb, but I got the job done. I made it look good. And I'm just taking my flat iron and really pressing that down. Then you're just gonna see me straighten the hair after this. And don't forget to put your heat protectant, y'all. I'm using the Sebastian Trilliant. This is just going to add some protection and a little bit of shine to my hair while I'm flat ironing it. You can use any heat protectant you like. This is what I had on hand, and I really like it, so that's what I'm using. And I'm taking bigger sections because this hair is already really silky smooth. I just needed to straighten it out a little bit because it had a slight wave to it, Get it nice and sleek and sexy. All right, y'all, and this is the final look. We're all nice and sleek. This hair has me shook on how gorgeous and natural it looks, okay? It looks natural if I don't put any baby hair, and I am loving it. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys.